time. Even 1 second can make a world of difference. It can impact so many things. But what if you could get that time back? Research shows that a forward collision avoidance system might have prevented or lessened the severity of injuries in 79% of rear-end crashes. Mobileye's collision avoidance system gives you time to react. Mobileye's camera constantly scans the road ahead. The AI-powered IQ4 chip processes, analyzes, and identifies pedestrians, cyclists, vehicles, lanes, and signs to detect potential dangers and warn drivers with real-time alerts day and night. Pedestrian and cyclist collision warning. Lane departure warning. Headway monitoring and warning. Forward collision warning. Mobileye Connect platform gives concrete insights into driver performance so you can give your drivers the support they need. More than 50 million vehicles worldwide are equipped with Mobileye Driver Assist technology. No need to purchase new vehicles. Mobileye 8 Connect is a safety system that can be retrofitted into almost any vehicle. Connected to the cloud, your systems will automatically update, so your technology purchase is future-proofed. When seconds count, real-time alerts make all the difference. Bring Mobileye to your fleet today. Visit mobileye.com/fleet.